Hey guys, Shrisha. So this is an unscripted video. I'm not really prepared. I don't even think I'll get the chance to shoot the B-rolls and stuff because I'm leaving for Mumbai right now. I want to take a break from YouTube. As you have seen on the channel, I've been uploading the videos continuously. So I'm just taking a break. Besides, I have some work there. And also I wanted to shoot a video based on Mumbai, basically testing the Realme XT's camera quality, because around here there is not much that I can shoot around or play around with the video. Everything is pretty much static, so that is the reason I'm going there. So from now on, maybe for 1 week or 2 weeks you won't be seeing any uploads. I just hope I'll be able to edit those because I don't have laptop. I edit everything on my desktop, so it will be really tough for me, but I'll try to upload videos. But if it's not possible, just don't come up with hate on me. I'll be back within 2 weeks or so. So now the question, Realme XT or should you wait for the Redmi Note 8 Pro? Now straight off I gave the answer in my previous review that you should go for the Realme XT. And here is the long answer or explanation for that. Firstly, the processor MediaTek's Helio G90T. Now this is a processor that was kind of overhyped, I felt. Honestly speaking, even I fell for this. I thought the MediaTek's Helio G90T is going to be like the next big thing in smartphone industry. Obviously, because the launch event itself, they literally compared the MediaTek Helio G90T to that of Snapdragon 730G, which is arguably third or fourth most powerful processor from Qualcomm. And then we heard that it is coming to the Redmi Note 8 Pro, which is under the price of 15,000 rupees. So that was really special. And the way they highlighted and the way they marketed this processor, everyone thought that they will be able to get constant 60 FPS or somewhat performance similar to that of Poco F1 in terms of gaming on this phone. Obviously, the processor is gaming oriented and there are a lot of gaming related features. Thanks to a lot of tech reviews and especially the ones from Gizmodict. So if you don't know him, I'll make sure to leave his link in the description box below. He makes some really amazing content. So basically from his videos and overall his usage, I came to know that the MediaTek's Helio G90T is somewhat just similar to the Snapdragon 712. And in terms of gaming, yes, it supports extreme FPS at smooth and balanced, but the thing is that it never goes to 60 FPS. I mean, it goes to 60 FPS in terms of gaming, but it drops down and it's quite fluctuating performance. During hot drops, the FPS drops from 25 to 40, which is unacceptable. It's just like they've added a GFX tool to the normal Snapdragon 712 phone. Also, we don't really know how the MediaTek's Helio G90T will be performing in day-to-day tasks. So if you are thinking of waiting for Redmi Note 8 Pro just for gaming, then Poco F1 is the better option. You can really go for it right now. I guess the billion days sale is on, so you can get it for really cheap as 15,000 rupees. So that would be an excellent deal. Now secondly, there are two other major cons that I found in Redmi Note 8 Pro. First one being that there will be no Gcam support, and that is a bummer for a lot of people because Xiaomi stock camera application is good, but we obviously like to have Gcam on our phones because obviously Gcam is after all Gcam. So 90% chances are that there won't be any Gcam for this particular device because it comes with MediaTek's processor. So yeah, that's a bummer. And the third reason is also linked to the second one as well. Basically, we won't be seeing any custom ROM development, to be honest. I mean, not huge custom ROM development support because of again MediaTek. I mean, if you have been into custom ROMs and development, you may know that MediaTek's phones don't really have a lot of custom ROM development. So that is one more reason not to go for that phone. I mean, at this particular moment, I would suggest you to go for Redmi Note 7 Pro, but don't wait for Redmi Note 8 Pro. We don't really know how this phone is going to turn out. Also, there are major heating issues. While playing PUBG, the phone heats up to 46 to 47 degrees Celsius. That is serious. And all of this that I'm saying is based on a lot of research on YouTube and a lot of tech reviews that I saw from very trusted channels. Now coming to Realme XT, Realme XT is by far a better deal. It has an AMOLED display which is extremely superior, and it has Snapdragon 712 which is kind of a more balanced processor. That's what I feel. And again, the look factor I think is better on the Realme XT. So yeah, you can think about it, but if you want to buy a phone right now, then I would strongly recommend go for Realme XT. Don't wait for the Redmi Note 8 Pro. We don't know how it's going to turn out, and as for how it looks right now, it is not going to be that good of a phone. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. It was a really quick video. I just did wind up everything quite fast. I want to edit this video in just 30 minutes and then I have to leave for Mumbai. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.